Designed for use with 3M Aqua-Pure 800 series whole house water filter housings as well as most competitive 4.5 diameter drop-in whole house water filter housings. Reduces sediment, provides fine sediment filtration down to 5 microns nominal for cleaner drinking water. Longer cartridge life, grooved surface increases total surface area for longer cartridge life as compared to 3M non-grooved surface cartridges. Helps reduce sediment unloading. Rigid construction helps prevent sediment release back into the water due to sudden changes in flow rate. Flow rate, up to 20 gallons per minute, GPM. Operating temperature, 4100 F, 4.4 to 37.8 C. Ideal for larger, 2.5 baths, homes. Top reviews from the United States. It's just a little expensive. You can buy similar for a lot less. Product works. Buy similar for a lot less. Product works.